Best dish racks comparison. Collapsible dish racks are essential kitchen tools for maximizing countertop space, especially in compact kitchens, RVs, and for outdoor activities like camping. These versatile products offer portability, space efficiency, and easy storage, making them ideal for The ThanStar Collapsible Dish Drying Rack is a mid-range option designed for versatility and portability. Made from eco-friendly PP plus TPR materials, it is both BPA-free and food-grade, ensuring safety for kitchen use. The built-in utensil drying rack and adjustable swivel drain strip make it particularly functional for small kitchens, RVs, and outdoor activities. Its compact design allows it to collapse flat, making storage simple and hassle-free. In testing, the ThanStar rack performed well for drying plates, cups, and utensils, with its non-slip surface preventing accidental shifts. However, the adjustable swivel drain strip required occasional repositioning to ensure proper water drainage. While its lightweight construction makes it easy to transport, it may not be as durable as metal-based alternatives. Overall, it is a solid choice for users seeking affordability and portability without sacrificing basic functionality. List 2. The Toolf Dish Drying Rack features an expandable design, making it ideal for users who need flexibility in countertop space. Made from stainless steel and plastic, it offers excellent rust resistance and durability. Its innovative drainage system prevents water accumulation, while the anti-scratch covers protect your dinnerware. The extendable feature allows it to accommodate up to 10 plates, bowls, and mugs, making it suitable for medium-sized households. During testing, the Toolf rack impressed with its sturdy construction and efficient drainage system. The extendable design is particularly useful for accommodating larger loads. Though the mechanism requires careful handling to avoid wear over time, its anti-slip feet ensure stability, even on wet countertops. While its price is on the higher side, the quality and functionality justify the investment for users prioritizing durability and versatility. List number. The OXO Good Grips Aluminum Fold Flat Dish Drying Rack is the premium option in this lineup, offering a two-tier design for maximum capacity. Its rust-proof aluminum frame is both stylish and durable, complementing modern kitchen aesthetics. The raised ridges and built-in drain board ensure quick drying, while the removable utensil cup adds versatility. Non-slip feet keep the rack stable, even with heavier loads. In performance tests, the OXO rack excelled in drying efficiency and stability. The two-tier design allows for organized drying of plates, bowls, and utensils, though the upper tier may feel slightly restrictive for larger items. The removable utensil cup is a thoughtful feature, but its placement options are limited. While the price is the highest among the models reviewed, its superior build quality and functionality make it the best choice for users seeking a high-end solution. List number. The Urakifi Dish Drying Rack combines an extendable design with premium stainless steel construction for durability and functionality. Its automatic drainage system and non-slip feet make it a practical choice for busy kitchens. The protective cover prevents scratches and noise, while the compact foldable design ensures easy storage. It is particularly suited for users who need a rack capable of handling full-sized pans and pots. In testing, the Urakifi rack stood out for its robust build and ability to handle heavy loads. The extendable feature worked smoothly, accommodating larger items without compromising stability. However, its weight and bulkiness may be a drawback for users seeking portability. The automatic drainage system performed well, though occasional cleaning of the spout was necessary to maintain efficiency. Overall, it is a reliable choice for users prioritizing capacity and durability. List number. The Cippoby Collapsible Dish Drainer is the budget option in this comparison, offering essential features at an affordable price. Made from eco-friendly PP plus TPR materials, it is BPA-free and food-grade, ensuring safety for kitchen use. Its built-in utensil drying rack and collapsible design make it ideal for small kitchens, RVs, and travel trailers. Despite its low price, it offers decent functionality for basic drying needs. During testing, the Cippoby rack performed adequately for light loads, such as plates and utensils. However, its lightweight construction and limited capacity make it less suitable for heavier or bulkier items. The adjustable swivel drain strip was functional but required manual repositioning. While it lacks premium features, it is a practical choice for users on a tight budget or those needing a secondary rack for occasional use.